Today we are going to build a global keyboard listener in Python. It's instant, it will work in the background on a separate thread, so it will not block the rest of your code, and it works even if your script is minimized. And you can use this type of keyboard listener for making games and wherever you require the keystrokes to do some functions in your applications or software. The first step is we have to install the library in order to read the keystrokes in Python. Open your terminal and to install the library type here pip space install and the name of the library, which is py, and press enter. After installing this library, open your code editor. Here I have created a Python file. Next we have to load the keyboard library, so type here from py import keyboard. Next I am going to create a function to read the keystrokes, so type here def and the name of the function, which is on press, and inside this function we have to pass the key that we are going to press on the keyboard. Next we have to print the key that we have pressed on the keyboard, so type here f, wait a set of commas, and pass the string here key pressed, and here print the key that we have pressed on the keyboard. Next we have to create a keyboard listener to get the pressed keys. For this you have to type here with, use the library keyboard, and from this library use the listener class. And now we have to use the argument on press. So whenever we press something on the keyboard, we have to call this function on press. So we have to pass the name of this function here inside this block. Type here on press. Now we have to store it inside some variables, so type here as, and the name of the variable, which is listener. In the end, we have to run this listener in the background on a separate thread to avoid blocking, so type here listener dot join and create a set of small brackets. This is it. Now save your file. Now to test this program, open your terminal, and to run this file you have to type here Python and the name of the file, which is test.py, and press enter. Now if I will press any key on my keyboard, it will listen all the keys that are being pressed on my keyboard in real time. It can also read the arrow keys, the shift, enter key, and also the keys from the numeric pad. And the best part is it can also read the combination of the keys. Right now I am pressing Ctrl left and the P button. This is it for today. If you want to learn more about software development, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updates of the new uploads. See you next time. Bye bye.